daylight time Friday. Impacts, flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details, at 10:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the Warren area. Between 2 and 6 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the Warren area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Williston, Chiefland, Bronson, Manatee Road, Andrews, Williston Highlands, Fowler's Bluff, Williston Municipal Airport, Fanning Springs, Otter Creek, and Manatee Springs State Park. https www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when in